Welcome back. Here's a really quick tutorial on how you can build your own LinkTree competitor, just like you see on the screen, so that you can control all of your own traffic, so you can actually retarget the people on your page. Let's go! My entire purpose of this channel is to help you and your business grow online, so you can do that by smashing that subscribe button. So in this tutorial, I will be showing you how to build your own LinkTree in Elementor on WordPress, but don't worry if you have another website builder like Squarespace, Wix, even Shopify, or any of the other ones out there. You should be able to do something just like this, very similar as well. And if you've never used Elementor before, it's super simple. So basically everything's done in widgets here. So I'm going to start in recreating the one that I showed you. I'm going to just drag this video embed in here first, and then you can place any YouTube link in here. Then below that, we're going to drag in some buttons, right below it. We're going to put this button in here. We might change the text here to whatever you want. Buy my thing, right? Buy my product. And then you can add that clickable link here. Alignment, I like to center it because that's typically how it looks in a link tree. You can change the size of it to large or extra large. You can even add icons in here, a little bell animation, and you can do some other cool stuff like make this even animated. So if we go into advanced sections here, and then we go into motion effects, it defaults to nothing, but there's all of these different amazing options like rubber band, or roll in, or jello, swing, shake, head shake, all types of really cool animations. We can change the color of the button as well. If you change type, they have all these defaults. Info is blue, success green, whatever. You can change that and customize it. I'm going to leave it as green here. There's a lot of other things that we can do. You can look for your social media. You can drag some social media icons in here, just like that, so they can subscribe. We could put this up top here as well. We could even throw some text up here above it. Welcome to my LinkTree. Then we might center that as well. You could even throw in your Google business listing on here as well, so people could write you a review right in that link tree. If you want to add another button, we can easily just add another button below it and do the same thing, line it up, make it large, change it to success, text here, and then you can even do responsive mode here. So if we go to mobile, we can see what it's going to look like. We're going to hide all this stuff up here too. I'm going to show you how to do that, hide this stuff down here as well. But essentially this is what it's going to look like. Welcome to my link tree, your social links up here. You can have a video that's directly playable in your link tree. You can have your links, you can have your Google My Business page. There's all sorts of things that you can do. The options are really unlimited, and the power of having it in your own website versus LinkTree or Beacons or something like that is that you can actually retarget your traffic. So you can install pixels like Facebook Pixel on this individual page, and then you can retarget them on Facebook. That anybody that went on this page. So now that you're happy with how your link tree looks, we're going to get rid of some of this other stuff up here, all this mumbo jumbo that is completely irrelevant. I want them to only see these clickable elements that we did. So I'm going to click exit to dashboard here to take us back to WordPress. Save your draft first, of course. Okay, so to hide some of those sections, there's a couple things that we're going to do. First thing on the right hand side here, I am going to hide the title. This is going to hide the WordPress title of LinkTree competitor that you see up top. Also going to come down here, page layout, style. I'm going to change this from default to none. I'm going to go into the footer section here, footer options, and I'm going to show footer no. So I'm going to get rid of all this stuff. And then I'm going to go up here, click on the preview tab. I'm going to preview in mobile, preview in a new tab just to see what this looks like. And there we have it. This is what your finished product is going to look like. It's not going to be this stretched out in mobile. Don't worry, we can test it out there. You can change the background of it too. There's all sorts of fun stuff that we can do. But hold up a sec. If you don't have your own website, that's okay. There's a lot of great options. In this video right above me, I show you a comparison between LinkTree and beacons to really simplify this entire process for you. Click on this video and I'll see you there.